I'm making Florentines. Absolutely love Florentines. I think they're delicious. So I'm going to put 50 grams of butter into my saucepan. A little bit more. Perfect. 150 grams of caster sugar. And 20 grams of plain flour. Tiny bit more. Perfect. I'm going to melt this on a low heat and stir it so the butter's all melted and it's combined. So, as you can see, the butter has all melted and that's all combined together. So I'm going to slowly add 130 ml of double cream, stirring all the time. That's it all in there. I want to make sure that there's nothing stuck on the bottom, any bits of sugar and flour. It's all nicely combined together and smooth. So that is pretty perfect now. In this bowl here, I've got flaked almonds, mixed peel and glacier cherries chopped up, and also some whole almonds chopped into small pieces. So I'm going to add all of that into there now. Give it a good stir together. And then you take it off the heat and leave it to rest for a couple of minutes. So I'm now going to spoon my mixture onto a baking tray with my baking glide. I love this stuff. It's so much easier than using baking parchment all the time. You can just wash it and reuse it. So pop a dollop on there. They do spread out, so it's better, I found, just to put fewer on a tray. It takes a little bit longer, but you don't want them spreading out and all sticking together. I'm going to take a little bit off that one. And slightly flatten them down. Probably get a couple of smaller ones in each corner. Put another one up in this top corner here. Right, there they are. I'm going to pop them into the baking oven for approximately 15 minutes until they're nice and crisp and firm, and then you leave them to cool for a moment on the tray and then put them on a wire rack. So my chocolate has all melted here in my bain-marie. That's going to be quite hot, so I shall lift it off with my oven gloves. So that's just dark chocolate in there. And now these Florentines have cooled down, so I'm just going to pop melted chocolate over the back of these. Look yummy. Absolutely love Florentines. And they're a really good gift if you're going to somebody's house to take some homemade Florentines. So that is all nicely covered in chocolate. So I shall leave that one cool there. Got chocolate on me too. These also store quite well. They last for about a week, so you can make them in advance, which is really handy. I'm trying to save time. When the chocolate's cooled a little bit, I score them with a fork, just to make the backs look pretty as well. So it really is pretty easy. So my last batch of Florentines have been in the oven for 15 minutes, so I'm going to get them out now. Oh, those look perfect. So these need to cool in the oven tray for a couple of minutes, and then I will take them out and pop them onto a wire rack just to totally cool, and then coat the back with chocolate.